Hi. For the project day this year, for the pre-primary, we have a common theme across all the three standards of nursery, junior and senior, and the theme is transport. The idea of having a common theme is for parents and visitors to understand what children make sense about their existing knowledge and how we layer it up with additional information each year. So while at the nursery level we focus at basic identification of basic vehicles that they see on the road in air, which will be the helicopters and aeroplanes, and of course the sea, the boat, ship, simple vehicles that they identify. They also learn about the three traffic lights at the signal, and they do understand that if you have to travel from one place to the other, you may need to use a vehicle. By the time they go up to junior KG, it's we layer it up by helping them understand that yes, you could go to a particular destination, but you could choose your own mode of transport. So if you're going from Bombay to Goa, you either take you could go by a ship, or you could drive to the place, or you could fly to the place, or you could take a train as well. And in senior KG, a lot of importance is given to safety and understanding road signs and signals also. And children also get a sense of understanding that each mode of transport has their own signaling system. So they begin to differentiate that yes, the three traffic lights that we follow on the road are not the same ones that we use for the air or the railway and the sea. So that's what they learn in senior KG. And so you can see the progress how children make right from nursery to the senior KG. And all of this understanding is done through various methods like discussions, sharing experiences, rhymes, songs, exposing them to audio visuals, art activities, and of course not to miss the field trips, which is one big thing that we are very proud of here in Shishula. This year our children have been on field trips to the traffic parks at Ghatkoper and Cooperage, and they generally take bicycles and tricycles along. So at the traffic park it's basically a replica of the road, so they get to be a part, act like as if they are driving and owning the vehicle and follow the traffic signs. It's pretty interesting to see kids there. We've also taken them to the Sion Traffic Chowki, where children interacted with the traffic cop, and they got to see what happens when you break rules. They actually saw people paying fines and then getting their licenses back, the driving license back, and they also saw some vehicles being towed and being put up in the chowki there. Another exciting field trip which is yet to take place is the monorail ride, so I'm excited too. So for the first time we are taking our junior KG children in Shishwan to the monorail ride, so they're going to experience that. And yeah, so that's an additional to how they can reach a particular place in Mumbai. So you either take a car, or you take a bus, or you use the local train, and of course right now we have the monorail. So all of this exciting stuff happening here in pre-primary this year for the project topic transport. Of course, one more thing that I'd like to add is that it's not only discussing what's happening in and around, we also expose children to what's happening the other side of the world as well. So we have kind of told them that these kind of transport systems what you have here in India, there may be a slight different transport systems that you have elsewhere in the world. So with regard, we are kind of talking about Italy and Venice and Amsterdam, where you have the rivers and the canals also, and boats are being used to to help children, help people basically transport from one place to another. So that's also is something that we cater to. So not only doing something what is inside and within our city and our country, but also extending the curriculum to a global scale. So I'd like to end it here. Just please do come to our project day to see actually children, to witness how children make sense of all that I've said, and how they are able to articulate and explain their understanding of the same.